What would happen if a fat-breaking enzyme were added to broiler chicken diets? Would broilers be able to utilize feed energy more efficiently? Researchers tested 4 lipid sources, soybean oil, palm oil, and their hydrogenated forms, with or without lipase supplementation. The results challenged expectations. Lipase supplementation did not improve dietary energy utilization. Soybean oil showed the highest digestibility and energy utilization, while hydrogenated fats delivered the lowest values. In animal nutrition, breaking down fat isn't always enough. The quality of the lipid source may matter more than adding enzymes. Learn more in the full paper. If you enjoyed this video, follow us, help us reach more people and continue spreading knowledge.